Today, we're going to learn how to add and subtract complex numbers from each other. So here we have a question. 5 plus 7i, add 4 plus 6i. So what we want to do is first put the real parts into one group and put the imaginary parts in another. So on this side, the real part is 5 and the imaginary part is 7i. And on this one, the real part is 4 and the imaginary part is 6i. 4 is real because it doesn't have the I attached to it. So we want to group them together. So we'd group 5 and 4 together, and we'll group 7 and 6 together. And we'll have something like this. 5 plus 4, add 7i plus 6i. And now this is pretty easy. We can just add it together. So 5 plus 4 is just 9, and 7 plus 6 is just 13. And then you add the I behind it. There you go. That's how we add complex numbers. But now we want to subtract complex numbers from each other. So here's our next question. 8 plus 11i, subtract 2 plus 10i. So what we want to do first is distribute this negative across, because we want to get rid of the brackets. We just don't like brackets in math. So what we're going to do is distribute, which will get us to something, which will get us to 8 plus 11i, subtract 2, subtract 10i. And now we can do the same thing we did over here. We can just group them together. So the real part on this side is 8, and the real part on this side is negative 2. Then we group the imaginary parts, which is basically 11i and negative 10i. This should get us to something along the lines of this. 8 minus 2 plus 11i minus 10. This is, again, really easy. 8 minus 2 is just 6, and 11i minus 10 is just I, or 1i. And here's our answer. Hope this was helpful. Please subscribe and like the video. Have a great day.